Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful sunshiny day and I'm headed to the river. Today I'm looking for some sycamore wood to do some carving, but we have had a pretty solid week of rain, like seriously solid. Everything is flooded. Rivers have flooded, creeks have flooded. Roads are closed. Trails are closed. Trails are flooded. I'm walking on a flooded one right now. But it's not going to stop me. The sun is finally out after a week. And I'm taking advantage of it. And I'm going to spend it outside. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. It's finally time to get outside. We're hitting the trail. Let's go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, there is no avoiding the water, so I'm not even going to try. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Try to walk over this way through the poison ivy. It's a lot easier than going through that. Holy cow! That's like a tiny little pond. Oh, we're traipsing. Let's go to figure this out. You can tell all this that I'm walking on right here. This was all flooded. You can just see the mud. Okay. What to do, what to do. What to do, what to do. Can't go through there. Can I go through there? Let's see. Let's see if I can go through here and get around it without getting any nettles. Oh yeah, this was all super flooded. Okay. We're gonna have to go out right here. But look how cool this is, though. This is definitely an adventure today. Oh, look at that. Just mud everywhere. Is that a baby? Hi, Spotty. Guys, I found a little Spotty. I'm not going to bother you. I'm going to leave now. I know your mom's around here, keeping you safe. We made it back to the trail. And I think I've killed about 800 mosquitoes. But we made it. And look how high and fast that river is. Now we're out here looking for sycamore wood. And that is a ginormous sycamore. But I gotta look for... Man, that is an ancestor. Look at that. I know it doesn't do it any justice. This is crazy. And I have to walk through all this poison ivy. I'm trying to avoid it touching me. Jeez. Okay. I think we're coming up to the other side of it. Oh, this is a clear view of the river. Whoa. That was a ginormous spider web. I'm trying not to walk through it. Sorry, bud. Oh. Well, what's this about? Oh, that's what that's about. Alright, well, I don't know how we're going to do this. Alright, I need a stick. I need a stick. I guess we'll just go try to get around it. If it's possible. I don't know, man. I mean, we don't have a choice. Alright, we're just gonna plow through. Because that's the trail right there. Okay. Whoa. Spider just crawling on the brim of my hat. Okay. Alright, now listen. Can that be any cuter? Probably not. If you guys could press that like button and subscribe, that would be amazing. It's official. I have lost the trail. Oh my God, mosquitoes are swarming. This will be the last time I forget my bug spray. I can tell you that. Oh, mosquitoes buzzing in my ears. Okay. Wow. I keep having to cross over these little tributaries. Okay. This is the biggest adventure I've been on in quite a while. At this point, I'm just trying to follow game trails. Oh, check that out. Yeah. And hopefully this trail will be clear enough I can pass all the way through. Look, even the deer think it's slippery. There's a whirlpool right there. Right there. Uh-oh. Hmm. Not quite sure what to do from here. I don't see any trail at all. I don't know. I don't know where to go. Seriously, I don't know where to go. I think we may have found it, guys. We did it. I seriously don't know where to go except for back the way I came and try to find a way to cross. There's no more trail that way. If I can find a way across. I found my way out. Unfortunately, I had to cross a no trespassing sign, but man, I had to get out of there. It's crazy. I promise, farmer, I will not destroy anything. I am walking through. Get out of here. I might get up here and take a break for a second. Drink some water. Change my battery. Hopefully I left the mosquitoes on the trail. Oh my goodness. Here we are. So over here, this is where I was trying to come out. We came in way over there. That's where we went in the woods. This is where I was trying to come out of the woods, but it's flooded and Mama Duck and her babies are down there. Wait for this fella. There we go. I'm not gonna lie. That was a hard one. I think that was the most, that was probably the most unpleasant hike I've ever had. It wasn't fun. I mean, being outside is always fun, but as for the hike itself, not fun. Mosquitoes, I killed about 1,000. Cobwebs, I ate about 50. I tore down about 800. Mosquito bite. Oh, look at that, where I came out. Oh my goodness. I don't think you can see it. I'll have to take a picture with my phone and put it in here. But there's a deer right over there. Sniffing me. That might be mama deer and that baby. I am going to chug this water when we get out of here. Alright guys, I'm going to end this one here. I am headed back to my truck. Look at all that water. Can you guys see that? I'm going to end this one here. I'm headed back to my truck now. I am ready to be... I'm crossing this water. I'm ready to be at home, and I'm ready to get these wet shoes off and get in the shower. I hope you all had an amazing weekend. I hope you all found joy in this day. Oh my gosh. That doesn't even matter now. It doesn't even matter if I walk in it. Yeah. This hike has been so frustrating between the water and the mosquitoes, and it's just been a lot. But like I said, I hope you all found joy in this day. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.